Hello everyone, today we'll be going over 3 basic functions of Google Maps, including setting up your home and work address, navigation, and saving maps offline. Let's get started. Okay, so to start with, we're going to begin with setting your home and work address. A benefit of setting these two locations in the app is that it allows you to go back and forth from these places with a real-time view of what the traffic is. So it'll actually let you know what the estimation is time-wise that it's going to have that slowdown in that area. It also will give you alternate routes as well if you need to have that option. So to begin, let's go ahead and open the app. Okay, so I'm going to go back there. Okay, so when you open it, it should be on this screen. And at the top left, you're going to see an icon. That's the Google Maps icon next to the word search here. Go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to either click home or work. Today, I'm only going to be setting the work location because this phone is specifically for our library. Go ahead and start typing in the address. And for me, the first suggestion on the top of the list is the address, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it's saved. So you'll basically do that for each of these locations, and when you're going back and forth, you just have to select them, and it should help you throughout your way back and forth. But if you ever do need to change those locations, you can click on the word more on the side. And as you can see under work, you'll see the 3 little dots on the right. Click on that, and you can actually hit remove work. So that'll remove the address, so if you change jobs, you can always change the address really easily. I normally use an Android, so with my Android, I just have to click home or work at the top of my screen. On here, it looks like after you hit the 3 dots, you just hit directions. Okay, for the second topic we're going to be going over, I'm going to show you how to do a basic navigation search. So we're going to go ahead and open the app. At the top, you're going to see search here. Go ahead and click on that. And then you'll see that previously I searched Walmart Supercenter. You can do it either 2 ways. You can either type in the address, or you can just click on one of your recent addresses. Today, I'm just going to click on the address. At the bottom, you'll see where it says directions. Go ahead and click on that. And you can either click one of the alternate routes, or if you like the route that they're showing that's highlighted in blue, just go ahead and hit start.
Head west toward Elam Road.
Okay, and the last thing for today is I'm going to show you how to download a map for offline use. So this really comes in handy. The main benefit of doing this is that when you reach areas where cell service is not as reliable, the map is saved, so you continue on with your navigation and you don't have to worry about losing your signal while you're relying on that app. So we're going to go ahead and reopen the app. I'm going to go ahead and, okay, so now we're at the beginning screen. I'm going to go ahead and go to search here again, and I'm going to type in Dallas County. I'm going to click on it at the top. So as you can see, it's at the bottom. You can go ahead and press on Dallas County and scroll upwards, and it should come up. And then where on the bar where it says directions, start, save, you're going to go ahead and scroll to the left. You should see a spot that says download. Go ahead and click on that. At this point is when you're going to be able to select what area that you want to save. Go ahead and click download on the bottom right. Okay, so now that map is saved. So whenever you're out and about, you don't have to worry about it. That area is saved, and if you lose your signal, you're good to go. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have anything you want to learn about, let us know, and I hope you have a wonderful day.